Hello everyone friends on the channel. Today I'll show you how to download or get the Epic Games app on your iPhone. For this we have the App Store where we can find Epic Games, download it and use it. This is the easiest option, but it's not always available because Epic Games might not be supported in your country. For this you'll need to go here, and here you can change your country. This is also a method. There, you can also just open a browser and simply type Epic Games. Epic Games download launcher. Download it to your iPhone or iPad, proceed and install it. But it's not available to me because again I'm in Europe. To download it, either change your App Store country or use a VPN and proxy.